Liverpool no Mo Salah den sempi dia to dia fa ni new contract awasan e Liverpool team no ho ye de ho nsam ba odwumadie so sanso ana Liverpool manager ana slot akasa dia fa Mo Salah contract extension no ho ni na ne de ho nsem ba say after Mohamed Salah no one a new player ono so ebesa ni contract dia ma Liverpool team no Virgil van Dijk anaze Trent Alexander-Arnold ni na no ye de ho nsem eba awo jumede so ebewuram awo football club Barcelona nsem any free bouncer so ebe na na pay ni na ne aboa no de ba Madrid da ho boa mo ye de atwen Arsenal next week ni na no ye de ho nsem eba awo jumede so ni nsem ado na pay ya boa no de free amano ne eba ntempa so na ye ba fie ne de afisem na bram nsem ne more hands of folk goalkeeper if an Benjamin Asare one also answer contract extension at the House of Folk team in Zambia and after that or signed the House of team no House of Folk in Zambia na eka at the goalkeeper Benjamin Asare ho san semi nano ya bono de bakuma se asante ko konsempi and furu ho eba enano pay ye the hon seme ba ve the Blasters of Ghana and so on say 4 Nations tournament e be kozo England no ehun sempi wa na no pay ya boa no de banin sama do na pay e safata se wasotine ye be sinkonwa ye de ebra live on Sompa TV live on Sompa 93.1 FM, live on Sompa 93.1 FM on Facebook. And pay your friend Sinko Dimario, Obete Philip Kobina and Kumzanka, Obete Seprenz and Ka, I would medieso, Ajazenya Grokra, Jeffrey Asari Apostle, May Mora support and Anopay, Orlando de Fisem Nebebre, Mr. Waka Daroma, or Boyachidom se produce and Anopay, Yabetnasia, Yadin Salmon Ebb, and Tubaka with the same records, Dumi and Beba. If you are ready, we are more than ready. Yadin Salmon Ebb, Banamum, Quacha de Fe, or this kind of ye, and into Mamin Fon 2, and him say 3A Heban Center for woman at the 3A co caps Zabajaso. Na a coco master, Goko Wasua, Unya Binuma, C.A. Tuntempaso de Amawa, a bebuaye papa, na Usis Naya, ya, Anase Bia, Odiano. Koko no sene asia yo bia no se bia afifiri wa na se wani su ta ka kawo ni adia ni na no nya binuma ho betima to eno achi no ayem tim wo so a wonya ayade za 3A co caps ni bia beboa wo ama ho atima to kama pa na mamemfo nto anim se wedie enti se nduro na aka na esa yade pi ni weni de yade miensa esa na mede atodwa no sisi yade koko ana yimitimunya bia ebeboa ye papa na hyeno so se 3A co caps no noma anya de se ubenya running stomach da mesrewada onoma ekotu ya ne na skama kama pa ediamao na kolenak obenya bia to dania ba mistie ba ani apidangini ba bia ya to bibidro bia no obenya bia to 0546 107107 0546 107107 ofrane ya joso na bibia aye kama pa ediamao na 21st clinic homo expert in sciatica na media to animisa no ane ya wa wote free cheze usisia fa oto asikosi wonase sa ya ona wote no me bajo efe sciatica no ma omu awidarim ajaze omu womu nimdia ye expert womu no 21st clinic enya agrokora mfidie guo endi mfidie no be eni paduanum na cheze omu uzampa sciatica na ha wansana omu edi nro aka kama pa omu di nro no kan wa no na yade no ebuban afi ni paduanum akwa enya agrokora mu bo adwuma ye pa na mame mfonto onim se ye more than 15 branches of Africa and Ghana ajaze enya agrokora na Africa ha no yaji atum Ghana ha yaji atum ani wiase fane nyina no eba no se sciatica de yen ene ye expert mu bi yaji atum mame mfonto de se kuma se ye ahwan overseas me pacho udu ahwan ye overseas junction ho a ye ben afa radio ye pa oboasenso ye o cancer quarters bajo ye be call junction ye pa kra ye o domi market sunyane nkuranza ni techima inane ye 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 21st clinic gomu expert in sciatica na kangen energetic drinking ye kan fudi am obiaze unya binu ebebo aye pa ye ka kangen energetic drinking water no na wuram wa fiefie mu nyumanyumam ena jeze hospitals obiaja tum zampa eye nsu papa na de tenza hydrogen woman ya rich pa na minerals be the calcium magnesium nom and just potassium ni iron nyina no ahyemu ma wonya binuma ebeboa ye pa ma jese asiesie ni padua no ama yare doma ni udi ase ni na no asie cheze asie atimetu kama pa enso ngadiama wonya binuma otimi fu kama oni padua na kala ne ye fangaza toso ama bibia timi ye fan ye pa anya grokra entin koda timi nom adantemu timi nom ena mpanyifo so timi nom a wonya binum ebeboa ye papa anya agrokra na ubahia twira kan no ewo Breman UGC Tafunin Road Abawa Road Junction so anase obafre 0241 411 911 0241 911 0241 449191 0241 449191 and 0507 377494 fra ni ajusi na bibia aye kama de ama 0507 379474 no your number or from bajusi na bibia aye kama pa de ama na Betway cash out of ano yemfan tudwa se de tenese on se nkumza ta me face kapa na menim obua na ne betting slip no wapa edubon se bia ne betting slip no se wo ma jeze emu ben wotwe bia na se nkuru bitimi bo na ba ku bi atima bese en mesrew me pa cho so betting slip no wa edu ba bia on se yema cash out offer na za cash out offer no Betway nko na dema endu na se bia o slip na ekuta no betting slip no wo yetim sa aka no wo de wawini no ene de aka no wo ncheda nya sure ze ubetima wini antempazo na we cash out no na bibia tima fa de manam ze na eboa ama o betting slip no botwa no wotumonya kakra ade abo ataso no bibia aye kama pa de ama ya de ze Betway cash out of no de tin se onya buo babia agi se Betway nko ana dwumadie we no yemfa to de se wonya mfie edunwotwe a hwe ana wanfa ho anhye nam ze eje mpanyifo gura enya asem goto ko mu ina no ana tagia no pay ya betena se ya bebe kwamo no ne ya de foreign news ebro live on Sompa TV live on Sompa 93.1 FM on your radio and avail live on Sompa 93.1 FM on Facebook enya grokra enti ya ba mo no ne na no pay ya de foreign news ma ya tiefo live on Sompa TV live on Sompa 93.1 FM and avail live on Sompa 93.1 FM on Facebook and pay emranso say do come na lateza eno so ngafrin go for across body na no ye de ho nsam na de ato ani ma wodwumade no so na mame mfonto woni msansa no pay na ye ka cho so Mohamed Salah enso nganya asa new 2-year contract so no de ama Liverpool bobo kodanya sam kotokra na after say Mohamed Salah so no etim so ngasa ne contract de ma Liverpool team no opanye fansa na slot manager enso ngade ma Liverpool team no wadin komo nganso dia fa Mohamed Salah ne contract watima sai enso ngada ma Liverpool team no manya grokra na osem panyifo na team abomodie panam se na ngamo convince Mo Salah no na enya dwuma koto akwanam se wogide pass se ne sika sam ne ade ni na no enso ngatimi kosoro ni ade na important news nso se abrante fan se Mohamed Salah so no team so committee in the future enso ngada ma Liverpool team ne minim se Saforo I ready na obetim so ngama manager ye fana sa ana slot abra na okasa enso ngade fa Mohamed Salah ho sa wogire pasa oya important player enso ngade ma Liverpool tebra watim so ngasa new 2-year deal so no de ma Liverpool team no ebetim so ngabo boboko ni yepa no enso ye de todwanti wenim se video no enso ngati ma red na betim de amama yanke tie nsema manager na fans ana slot enso ngade tujade fa Mohamed Salah.
First of all, he's always been judged as a player. He's always judged as a player, which is, of course, what you guys should do. But I also see him as a human being, and he's a humble person, always wants to work hard, always puts a lot of effort in to become the player he has become. And he wants to stay at that level, so he just keeps on bringing that effort every single day. And what makes him special on the pitch is, in my opinion, that that he can score goals. Now, there are more players who can score goals, but Mo can also score a goal if he's not in the best half hour or the best 15 minutes. And that's why he's mentally so strong as well. And you need to be that if you want to be 7 or 8 years at the highest level every 3 or 4 days. Apart from quality, from physique, you need to be mentally really strong as well. And I think that's, apart from all the other things, how mentally strong he is probably what stands out for me.
Yes, I know any sama Liverpool manager fanasa na slow dia to dia fa Mohamed Salah wana no pa ya de won sabno enso ngama mo jumadi no so nya grokra na Mohamed Salah na no so ngachirechirem adi nkomo pi wa me ahudie ntia ono so ngatime stand na contract ndi ma Liverpool na ose na ni agie pa sempo no watim so stand na contract no enso ngade ma Liverpool na supporters no e kan obi no Mo Salah so no etim so stand na contract ndi ma Liverpool say oba be 8 seasons what him so ngasi academy Liverpool team ni na no this na ni so team age supporters no team so support no from day one enya gro kwantina ni agie pass what him so ngasa new 2 year dent no adama Liverpool bo ko na o nim sempo no obetim so ngabo na mpo no what him so age big trophies so no adama Liverpool bo ko na ni asema o reference Mohamed Salah so no ono so ngadi atudia na no pai ya de sansa ma mo jibade so na mami fontu onem sam nuram ewo made da so ya unsa Vinicius Junior so no anopa ya catch was ngadesa ne contract no ansune tima ya fensa na made fon e kasad inano ya desa nkomono ya desa kwa ni muyepa na mami fontu desa 1 billion proposal na a free Saudi Arabia for no bani inano ya sem abrante fensa Vinicius Junior no etum so na reject sa ofa no likely abrante fensa Vinicius Junior no ebetum so ngasa new deal enso de ma Madrid bobo kona no enso ngade to dwane na nsa Vinicius Junior ne fees oso obekọ Saudi Arabia kwa na nya satami ena se ngono Vinicius Junior no enso ngakonam se ogide pasa ensa Ballon d'Or no wetim so ngaji biansana ono so bedana ne de free Madrid bobo kona makwa ono so etima konam se Vinicius Junior no enso ogide pasa we no quality se kutana ogide pasa obetima ji Ballon d'Or ni biansana watim so ngafri Madrid bobo kono makono enso nga report abanti likely sam Vinicius Junior no ebetim so sign new deal enso nga de Madrid bobo kono no enso nga diaba enso ya de mamo enso nga ojumadeni so na yeguso Madrid no mami fonto da se oko bomofa enso nga mo defender bi ye fena din Heisen na sound defender no mete sam Madrid bobo kono eguso ani abrante ne kasa ye pasa obetim so nga jepene no besia kan enso dema Madrid bobo kono na dia tinisa yasem bo ne dia waje tumsa anka onyamade do baba nanso no dia mensa kan sa bonmo fo no onsa no demander 50 million euros ansana akwara na fensa din Heisen no watim so na besia kan dema Madrid bobo kono no na reporter yensa kan sa Madrid bobo kono enyo Madrid sa koda wadi 19 years no betima tueska enso na 50 million euros no enso na dia kofantia no enso na dia sempo no enso and adia etimuso ngama dio no etimuso delay tesa sanka na bia bon moftum no ebetimuso no an soften stance na ngano ebia sika no matesu kakra dia anka bia obetimuso afabo no no obesi academy team friends mad na mum no omo ogide pansa sa 50 million euros na nya desa obetimuso ngatua no makofa koda na ye fansa din Heisen no enso ngade to dia ena no pede sansam no enso ngamamo ewo djumaje so ni na no enso ngade ba na Joshua Zexi eye boy wo shekan ezo no Manchester United boboko no on say omu game anu omo so ngade bo ni abra omu ani Olympic lone e de coffee so e wa de sen Europa League ni ma obi a show ni anko aka ni mienu no on say second leg no e be todwa e Old Trafford no na Joshua Zexi e de akotodwa sa ogide pass ade second leg e be koso e Old Trafford e game e betim so ngam echesemu ade adama two teams na mo no ogide pass e kwambia so no Manchester United team no e be ebetim so national Olympic lone no mo so tima qualify to the next side of the competition no say without that no be any say Olympic lone team no we ball and o mo team so na boy second leg na mo birthday edema two teams na mo no o jide pass kwambia so no Manchester United team no abra game no cause no Trafford no supporters no ebetima tawo machi ama United team no enso na tima qualify ni azema abrante fans Joshua Zagzi oni a player edema Manchester United boboko no ono so na dia tudwa na no pede sansam no enso na dia mamo ewo jumade no so na Ansumani 40 aye player wo sia kan edema Barca on say Ansumani 40 mediama say aye likely say nyankopon aye aduma se season ko na wie ya Ansu 40 ebetima danani e free Barca team no makono pan metesa yesi Barca team no enso na adi atwa kwara nanim sa obetima hyase ne team bi ope enso ngani sa team na dinkomo nam sa onka manager na ye fan sam Hans Flick na plans ho enti dia men sa kan sa ne bia enso 40% okodia obetima kodia tie enso ne sam ngomunya offer e the free United Arab Emirates na sa e bia Qatar na sa e bia Saudi o ba bi dia de sa ban sa team no ebetim so na demand sika na mo sa enso 40 enya offer enso na free Europe dia Barca team no ebetim so ngaja koda no amana ko free no die to dia no pay ye de sansa mama nam sa yesem Barca team no ane Ansu 40 ne agenta ye fansa Jorge Mendes ne din komo ama komodie no etim so atodwa ama agreement no etim so ya juma na pay ye de sansa mama mti Barca supporters no nyankopon ya duma sama time for any bia Ansu 40 betimako no na die to dia no so de mama awo jumade no so na Rama de Boboko no mama fontuda sam na brantia ye fansa William Salah bosia kan adema ans na Boboko no diatia enso ngana sa madi team no wo mo consider sa wo mo disika ngano 85 million euros betime ade wuro mo Arsenal team no mpono nyankopon ngaya aduma sama transfer no mo enso ngatima hwese bia William Saliba no wo mo sabetima kano wo mo no jide pasa wo mo nya William Saliba ebetima boa ama team fansa madi fo no wo mo so chira no etim so kama ye panam sa onse nan say madi team no mo bobo bia no ma consider na no o mo kwadi 3 goals na anya gwakra o mo ne Arsenal team no enso ngadi boni to mo jire pasa o mo anya William Saliba from Arsenal ebetima boa na chira won so no etim so solid ani na no enso e de banam ye tisem anya la eklisa Arsenal team no ebetim so ngaja abante fansa William Saliba this Arsenal team no ebetim so ngaja William Saliba yetesa ebetim so ebe 100 million euros ansana William Saliba no mojano amabano enso medne na chere Madrid Boboko no enso medie toda no pedi sansam no enso mamo ewo dwumade so na Dani Olmo enso play we sia kan enso de ma Barca Boboko no anope mama infontuda sa Dani Olmo dieba enso ngane sa brantia no on se wakoko pradiatia enso ngane sa wogusu arokova kama yepa ama de meme se kan kura se bono o feel good like lisa second leg abansa enso ngane Borussia Dortmund team no de bone ewo UEFA Champions League quarter finals nim no de sam ngabrantia ye fansa Dani Olmo ewo jide pasa obetim so na recover na mpono wabesia kan enso ngadama abansa bra mu wuram ewo Signal Iduna ho no mo ne Borussia Dortmund team no enso ngadi akobo ani no enso later se bana no pai ye de sansam no enso ngama mo jumede so anya agrokra na Manchester City Boboko no anopeya tisa omonso nganim sa nyankopon ya dum na sebia sama transfer na ne bia omba bawuram ewo Tottenham so Boboko na omo player na ye fona sa Destiny Udogi no omakoko fa boy no na no be gina bonku afa so e de Manchester City Boboko no omo jide pass abrantie no we experience watimanya ewo Premier League ni ma ebetima boy pa ama bonku afa so no Destiny Udogi etim so ngabaya juma e de Manchester City Boboko na de saka enso ne sa Man City pay for enem Destiny Udogi etima dinkomo yepa ama edesa brebo ne de chese ngoni problem bia sa obaba besia kan edema Manchester City Boboko dieka enso ne sa Man City Boboko no ene Tottenham so team no ebetim so ngawie na Destiny Udogi etim so ngabesia kan edema Manchester City Boboko no enso ne latest eba ena no pedi sansam no ema mo dwumade so enya grokura na eguso Man City Boboko no no mame fon to da sa Kyle Walker on sa or Bolon nanso no the team fence AC Milan from Manchester City and pay Manchester City bobo kono enso nganya a communicate the Kyle Walker sa nyankopon aduma sama time for ne bia Kyle Walker ne betima petim bi ope na akwa kwesi kan enso ngada masa team nam sa Man City bobo kono prepare life without a brantia your friends Kyle Walker omo jide pass Kyle Walker no team so ngafani new club no enso ya diaba ena no pedi sansam no enso ngama ewo jumade so ni na no enso nga dia eba na Victor Boba Ferreira ubetima fana Rivaldo we a former player enso nga de ma ban team no Rivaldo si amfan tuda se ono de ngo jideza afi UEFA Champions League no the grand finale no ebetodwa na finals no was likely say ebetim so nga Barcelona ana afi Arsenal namsa o jide pass Rivaldo no enso nga bola Arsenal team no ana afi Barca eba likely say two teams no ene betima kokopie mo enso nga finals ani esema Rivaldo enso nga dia kotudwa ena no pedi sansam no enso nga mamo ewo jumadi so ni na no enso nga diaba na Lami Yama mame mfantudwa sa penye fone sa Ronald Koeman o manager enso nga dema Holland national team no wodi atudwa sa Mobian compare Lami Yama to Lionel Messi nam say Lami Yama no a very good player na Lionel Messi a unique cause ye nya player necessary at say Lionel Messi da ni esema Ronald Koeman ngadi atuda wasi akodana ye fensa Lami Yama no as ye protect no as akua Barca for no efaso eyusu akoda na so motezo ana fe reference so no so mo protect akoda ye friend say Lami Yama ne protect akoda na obetim so no abe one of the greatest players football team produce nam say akoda no akun faso ball no chesam hawa wo CS for ni ade no ehu behia say reference no ebetim so protect Lami Yama banza ye betim so enjoy akoda na cheye pa ani asema Ronald Koeman dia kotudwa eno no pedi sansam no enso ngamamo ewo jumade no so na Rodrigo Goes striker edema Madrid bobo kono dia tudwa sem yewo another 90 minutes to go ewo Santiago Bernabeu o jide pasa nanwa Arsenal team no enso ngasho makanemi ensa wo muhantimate no second leg ebetodwa ewo Santiago Bernabeu no wo betim so atene deficit no na Madrid team no hetim so atwa so ko manema na yensema Rodrigo dia kotudwa na sansam no ana Toni Kroos ya former player so na de Madrid team no wodi atudwa sa masa sadia no na atesi awo Santiago Bernabeu namom sa sanu mano ebetima sibio against Arsenal dia ajisa uwo play bi adisaso atisa Karim Benzema ene team so ngama sa moment no etim so ngesi awo Santiago Bernabeu namom Santiago Bernabeu dia ayadesa sanu mano ayana atesia enyawa wakra no ensema Toni Kroos enso ngadia kotudwa ena no pedi sansam no emambo jumadi so a enya asamkutu akra na mame mfantudwa sa Gabriel Magalhaes a player wosia kan adema Arsenal boboko no anopai metesa Saudi Arabia clubs no omunya boy no omope amade memensa kakra ne sa 400,000 pounds a week ayesika de metian sa omoso ngapese omode fa brantia yefansa Gabriel from Arsenal yetisa two teams and almost Saudi Arabia omania bre sa kwambia so no esa Gabriel Magalhaes no omonsan so timikano na ana so ana fe IT yadi na no omuhia no sa Arsenal defender na so omonsa timikano na brantia no ebetimi so ngabesia kan awo Saudi Arabia League nima yedi sansam na mamo na yetisa Arsenal team no ebe demande 100 million euros ansana Gabriel no mujano amabone so timakono enso ngele seba enono pedi sansam no emamo jumedi so ni na no enso ngadiapa na Virgil van Dijk anopai mame mfantu jesa uko Liverpool so ya yesen ankomodia ni bibia didam na after Mohamed Salah no next player obetim so ngasa ne contract no ɛyɛ Virgil van Dijk no latest eba meteza na wie ya san bibia meboma announcement betima todwa san Virgil van Dijk the penalty be paso ansa new contract enso ngadema Liverpool bobo koda no enso ngadiaba Liverpool team no ewo jide pasa after Virgil van Dijk no Trent Alexander-Arnold so no ebetin so ngasa new deal adama Liverpool mo jide pasa some 3 players no desa kwambia so no o metim so ngasa nemom de memin saka anasa Trent Alexander-Arnold dia no emu bede kakanam za desa madi team no enso ngani akoda no edin koma kwachire pa anti likely say abrantia ya fansa Trent dia no emu betim so ngade nanso Liverpool team no aye hope for say akwambia so no abrantia fansa Trent no ebetim so ngasa new deal enso ngade matima ya fansa Liverpool no enso ngade banana pai ya desa ansam no enso ngama mojumede no so na Victor Osimhen a player was here kan adama Galatasaray on loan from Napoli and pay report on me seconds yes we communicate adama Napoli bobo konesa nyakopon aduma sama transfer ni bia wo munya no mananko nanko sia kan Premier League nwiate san beza 80 million euros no mu demand ansana na bia bo no ebetima ko wetima ko yatese Manchester United team no wo mu anya Victor James Osimhen wo mu peye pa no enso na die todwa ena no pedi sansam no enso na banamum no sam 80 million euros no ene yesi bedin pasa we fence Ruben Amorim no wo betim so anya sasika no de kofa brantia ye fence Victor James Osimhen no enso na die todwa ena no pedi sansam no enso mamo ewo jumede no so uko Newcastle United adiatua and sir Bruno Gomaresh a player was here kind Adama Newcastle United boboko no Samson ngana brantia ye fana sa Alexander Ishako striker Adama Newcastle United team no yatesa a bed in papa sa summer transfer window no o metim so ngaja sa 2 players no amamo so etima konam sa omo jide pasa the only way e betima convince sa 2 players no and sa tima ye fana Newcastle e betima qualify no next season no o metim so ngasi kan e wo UEFA Champions League no mete san we Newcastle United boboko no wo performance at this season no bibia chire se akwambia so no ye katim sa o betima so qualify and no next season no o motima so Asia kan our Champions League no ma Newcastle team de kan at dia mete the meeting san ngade sa akwambia so no sa 2 players no o betima so the Champions League football at ma convince mo no mo so etima stay na san abani sikasema money no be problem no dia todwa no pedi sansam no enso ngama mo ewo dwumadi so ni na no enso ngadia banana pai yade honsam no enso ngare tudwa na mame fan tudwa se Florent Vet aye boy wo sia kan adema Bayer Leverkusen boboko no anopa yetese yesebo na dia to mpanyifo nim se ade se opese okona nkanyakopon ya duma try new challenge our Premier League ni na se Manchester City boboko no wo mo jide pasa abrante na ye fana se Florent Vet no or was similar attribute at is Kevin De Bruyne at is woman abrante na ye fana se Florent Vet na ebetima boa se na bia Kevin De Bruyne ekono obetim so na replaceable na yetiza omo demand be 100 million euros no enso na die todwa enti enso adema mo City for no aya awese akura no anyande se ne bo no obetim so ngaba abra ne bo afokura omo jide panse bo ne bo no ebetim so na ede panamo no yetiza City boboko no ebetim so na de be 90 million euros ne betim akwa esebia Florent Vet no omo se betim kana mo no so no abesi akan enso na de ma City boboko ne mo no yetiza Leverkusen team no omo anya adwense anything less than 100 million euros no o betima jenam se o mo jide pansa abrante ne de chese ye kan German football ye kan oma future ne jina mo na so bia na se enso mo sere so abrante friend se Florent Vet no odimu tintima e panti anya de se o betim so ngaja bo na makobra ne bo no so da fo me no enso ngade todwa eno no pedi sansem no edema mo dwumade so no enso ngade ba mame mfantu de sempo no oko ba se boboko no ma abrante fansa use kunde aye boy wo sia kan adema baza wo de todwa sa afi no dienti abasa no makwe ni nansam manager na ye fa ne se Hans Flick no ne system no omo tiase ye pa anafe omo players no omo ye tactically disciplined anafe adia ye fa ne se unity no ya adwuma wo ye pa betray assembly ni babia the manager ne beka no omo di ya adwuma anafe omo playing body no omo adwen ye one anya fe ana weka na we eka different story there be omo ina no omo focus and say ombetimaje trouble ana fe free dress room be ina no omo adwen omo understanding bibia ye one omo ti omo ase edisa omo ko na sam omo ko no page ni so akwesi akan a omo bibia no eye perfect anya gro na fe manager ne tates no eno so abu aba se ye panti oje tumpa se sano money ina no ana so etima contribute to a boss team no omo so enya success e park no so na ojide pass boss team no Copa del Rey ana fe UEFA Champions League no ana La Liga ni ina no ojide pass sano manu betima boa ama bonsa etim so ngadi sa trophies no ani ensema you school de dia kotudia ana no pedi sansem no enso ngadi mamo awodmede so ni ina no enso ngadi ba na mamin fontudia sa Andre Onana ne modern bono ba na eba from yetiza sama san for ni bia anka Ruben Amorim benya ko benya ni goalkeepers manaba na sa ni goalkeepers openo yetiza anka obepe ba mienu bi nemom ebe dinye pasa obetimedi atum penfo nim za obehia ni goalkeeper nam za omugide pasa anye de sika sam nim penfo no ebetim so amakawa ni manim ya na omusuno atima court san fair market nim nampo no omudi sika so akofa goalkeeper dia ba omu ogide pasa Andre Onana anafen aite binde ebetima ya juma no adama Manchester na tebobo kona no enso nga die todua enso adima mo awo juma die so ni na no enso nga die bansam ne doso mre no so ko yemfasia na abedwafo amrem Sir Prince Akwaba
asinko
obani ho de sai
tweda mponyankopo ada
ya danyame ase yenhwe amanoni semnim
nice one na mahu
18 minutes ayodia
okay mahu se on a Facebook page na amanfo busa this question. Let me take this opportunity na memfenyi anu answer. Say so the UEFA Champions League, the Europa League and the Conference League na English clubs ne bom homode wo hopa. Each one of them be English club e wo mo obon homode. If you take the Champions League for instance, we've seen the first leg Arsenal, Edema, Real Madrid. And even right now, no Opta analyst, say, so where the percentage-wise teams or more likely so me qualify to the next stage, Arsenal, and the first team, or what the biggest percentage. And it likely would so be Madrid the film high. And me crime better if I can say the second leg is going to be very difficult for Madrid to make that kind of comeback. Madrid is Madrid, but it's going to be very difficult. It will take something extraordinary. And Arsenal will not sit down for Madrid to eliminate them. I believe in that. And over Aston Villa and so they came up against Paris Saint-Germain. And Aston Villa performance, it's not a performance on PSG frame. But looking at Arsenal in the UEFA Champions League, I feel said they have that kind of chance of going to the final. They have that chance of going to the final because Omutimi Madrid Frima, the next opponent will be against Villa or PSG. Though we know say Villa has no chance, but let's bring them in because only PSG never ball. And if PSG a Villa Frima, Arsenal and PSG ne kwakushia. These are two teams Omuna they are yet to win the trophy. Though say PSG in recent times now has been a bit more consistent in the Champions League than Arsenal. But let's not forget, Arsenal has been to the final before. Paris Saint-Germain has been to the final before. And those times, they produce some good squad that could do in the final. Arsenal squad could do the final. We all know. The likes of Thierry Henry, they were all in that squad. Clearly, you feel, say, the squad that they could talk then, no, it far outweighs the squad they could talk now. And Paris Saint-Germain squad is the same thing. Time of Moko final, we all saw the time and name the likes of Marco Verratti, the likes of Kylian Mbappe, they were at their absolute peak. And almost the copy in the final. Or to compare and the Paris Saint-Germain squad now clearly, also who say quality of Paris Saint-Germain squad not then no was better than now. And it's already Arsenal team now the squad there no or more brought together or more that kind of quality or more they born to or bet me Madrid frame et me share PSG is also the same way. No be a more modest dog chance, but papa friend Luis Enrique as a son getting the best out of Ousmane Dembele, Bradley Barcola, Desire Due Mobile, and even look at the midfielders. Johan Neves, you talk of Vitinha, Fabian Ruiz more. Look at the kind of game or Modema. Echion on Pacho together with Marquinhos, they are playing absolutely well. And over Berardo Krana, also Beshemi in place of Abrante friend Marquinhos. Look at performance or Dema. Into a movie very difficult, but yet I still see Arsenal is having that chance. So bet me Paris Saint-Germain the frame. Because no, you see, Yemfani say Madrid is Madrid. Madrid is Madrid. No matter the kind of worst performance at Madrid nemu, so Arsenal to me you mufima, it's a big statement. Let's not make it look as if say Madrid and Koye or Munya or more chemistry, that kind of team bonding, because Vinicius Jr. is not at his best. We're killing Mbappe or producing numbers near, but the Mbappe we saw at France, the Mbappe we saw as Paris Saint-Germain, that kind of game on team Bobby Madrid. We saw Rodrigo. Time and Karim Benzema or Honum. Now our absolute best performance. When the goals are now they added to Madrid team, no, where performance on the man extraordinary. But this season, Rodrigo and Timmy Mada performance nibi. Jude Bellingham last season is different from Jude Bellingham this season because last season he was given that freedom. Say anytime you pay beyond him. You know to me are there a lot of goals, but this season Timmy had that kind of freedom, no. And to because Madrid this season and share down Koye. But if Arsenal you move from, let's not attribute it to the fact say Madrid enkoye ntia because we've seen Madrid team enkoye but otimi bo in UEFA Champions League night otimi take the shine out of teams on your mobile obi enu so meeting asha Madrid no enti Arsenal yi Madrid fruma it's a big statement and with that alone I think it will give them that kind of morale. So mo betimi ato aso akwa share Paris Saint-Germain though it's going to be difficult because Paris Saint-Germain so this season omo a very good form but Arsenal is having that chance so betimi akwa in the final. You look at the Europa League. Europa League there's a certain Tottenham, there's a certain Manchester United. And so Tottenham and Manchester United. Tottenham played against Frankfurt about 1-1.
Yeah.
They still have a chance to qualify in the return encounter. You look at Manchester United, almost in Lyon about 2-2. They still have a chance to qualify in the next leg. Into almost so until the final. And where the path of Boko from Tottenham Hotspur Namswa, or me Boko from Frankfurt Fruma, or Beko Kushia Bodo Glimt and Nasa Lazio Mubako. And the first leg Bodo Glimt shall Lazio 2-0. And Yemfan said Bodo Glimt beat me out to also Lazio. Look at Tottenham Hotspur Bodo Glimt, no Maka Kushia in the semi-final. What do you think will happen? The probability will be weighing in favor of Tottenham. Even if it's Lazio Kwana still now, the probability will be weighing in favor of Tottenham, no matter the kind of poor former or Munsunya. You said the same thing about Manchester United. Honestly, to me, Leon Freeman, let's ask ourselves, him for no Mokakushia, on the Rangers and as Athletic Club Bilbao, it is going to be very difficult if they meet Athletic Bilbao. But we know the kind of quality individuals be at Ekuta United. Always when they need these individuals now, Omutimi come up, especially a branch friend Bruno Fernandes. And we also believe that chance is there for Manchester United. So Omutim copy him in the final, and even the conference they cried. They say you can't send me can once them. Chelsea who teams now can na Chelsea any Liga also. And no much by 3 goals to 0. So Omutimi call money Jogadin and now say Rapid Vienna. And a easy game for Chelsea also. And on the other side now, almost so Baba be shame in the final. No, Betis ne Fiorentina mon and Namho. And even if Betis ne Fiorentina Muba could be PR, do we see it say Fiorentina na Betis beat me as Chelsea and it is a game of football, but yet you give that kind of air probability rate, to Chelsea. And to Omo Mubusa say English air clubs no bet me ako. Omunyina bet me ako could do fine, and this is the probability rate. Omunyina na possible so bet me ako do fine.
Right.
And if they go to the final air games, they are one game affair. The one that takes the moment and a bit me away.
Yeah.
So for me, I believe the English clubs they have a bigger chance of going to the final, but to win it a different game. When it gets there, and Sunday it's me I can watch them. But those asking English clubs the probability some bit me could do final very very higher. Or bit me could do. Now, yes, United can credit and no game no more boy. You see, United a good run in the Europa League as compared to the Premier League and as a domestic league trophies no more born. In the Europa League, we've seen United in the group stage, where the second most score teams, and I said second team was share most goals in the group stage, or share 16 goals and or conceding 9, and 9 goals to or conceding open teams or more conceding less goals in the group stage. Now United Sashi Mubi on the way, so they are having a good form in the Europa League, you know, about 8 games in the group stage or conceding 9. Unlike in the Premier League or conceding more, no, and in the group stage, and I say in the group stage in the Europa League now, so out of 8 games, such as 16 goals, what is it telling you? They are having a good form, and in the knockout stages, almost first game on ball, money rest is your dad. We all saw what happened. United Eshe 4-1 will fear Ecobo 1-1 ewa away. And right in the game against Lyon, or making sure so many a 2-2 draw ewa away. Into a move from away and very good. And I see say the medical that probability rate, no, they can eliminate Bobuko from Lyon because it is different. The Europa League performance on Monday money is different from the Premier League, you know, and they are doing very well in the Europa League. Into United beat me qualify, but Enra, Omama me video no Andrew Nana mistakes na man for can one seven no. I am percent always made the odd one out, but I don't see the fourth no from my brand here friend Andrew Nana.
Omo video no.
Omo fa video no to so am for Mr. Fama me na me comment say metimi aye na menya time.
Yeah, the baba.
For Fatos in the so I had the first goal. This is the first goal. This first goal, obe blame in the first glance, obe blame na as our anya there. But me slow it down wash there. There were 2 Lyon players that omu na attack a ball. The first one did the second one did the 9. And if you're a goalkeeper now, look at this one must slow it down. Where did Nitin and call for ball? Ebe bri onana is the second one she way ye. Nitin ko na kan her second one page na 9. And a bit different, and I said, make us say, Ebema Andrew Nana a bit confused. And let's not forget, Bonnie says, see ho, and son Andrew Nana honum. And in a way, at the first glance, straight away, back I say, oh, Andrew Nana, anya dear. But looking at it over and over again, no, Manesa Konechini and Sani about second goal, so. First goal, Nana me here. Looking at it over and over again, you clearly feel, say, Andrew Nana, or try so be waiting for a touch because there were 2 players and not a possible so make me attach a ball. And he was waiting for the touch before so be reacting. And touch na mano, born says he form one nima and sana air cottonet. And if straight away Ublemu, we've seen him make a lot of mistakes. But straight away Ublemu na and Shadanye in this goal. For me, that's how I feel.
So, video is and go being attached.
Yes, open your toucher.
It would have been easier because no owns will call from Cradada.
The whole thing is in a split second, born neighbor, and or anticipate say player now will win and the opeja 9. Obi who back bono and Okasa old tone who follow the flight of the ball no be ho car. A bit deflect the other way. On amateur.
So no Sankebia players need be 9 kan.
Yes, he was waiting for that reaction.
Baby or dive corner who's and go on a born bever.
There be no ehuni late on say baby or dive ko no it was late time on who say ball no mo hunka no ansa no dive ko na ball say see where
so deceive no.
Yes, so for me I think say wanya there do, but you can't solely blame him because of that kind of reaction that players need the man. And this is the second goal. Look, Shadebi ball ne ban so straight and it was played with power. A ban so straight. He had no option. Once a keeper ball so straight now ujina one share bet me for 90 mark akoshe. The only option was for him to parry the ball. And na power na wo ball nim ntin or parry no e sa take a move e ko na nim bebre.
O me her second goal.
O me her second goal no. Hwe ni ye pa. Second goal ne ba. Power e wo ball nim e na e sa wo 18 balls na mu penti e ben no. E na the only option ojina ho onkoto dadaw. So akoto dada abeka so won fa ball no bo ojina ho. Answer no one koto and making sure so bet ball ni straight ni enyi. Until the only thing was say obe parry ball no and answer obe making sure so didn't sabe ka ball na
a short way a shorter on non-intimate save. And how was he save ball no as a goalkeeper? I'm a Manchester United.
You see,
Sana baby save ball no to.
This is the problem here. There is no way Onana bet me akutabo we move straight sir.
I know.
Because ball ne ban so impromptu. But Yemu says how many players na what box ni ma on cause on defend or reacted to the first ball of this game no. But when you look from bare 5 and a one will be reacted. There were Lyon players but come I 3 or more reacted to the ball. But we are here blaming Papa and friend Andrew Nana. On the way sit here. So for me, I think say the 2 goals ni no ubetimi aka say nko betimi aye something better, but yet you cannot put the blame solely on him. Opari born we defenders na na can omugyina box no mo yeden. You see the point here. Well, so for me, I think say United Andrew Nana considered those 2 goals, but omo blame they should calm down. Omo to omo kakra. Now Liverpool, one teamer, frankly speaking, who pay team DJ womu pass is here. Ofa Barcelona, e de omo si nchen, I think say be Liverpool. Because Mohamed Salah, or a legend of the club, even right now no so but a legend of the club, while extending a contract by 2 years. I kept saying this thing here. Says Liverpool, if Salah, Van Dijk, and Trent leave at the end of the season, it's going to be very difficult for them. Very, very difficult. Let's look at it this way. Sorry, Liverpool and Honma. Said this is almost performing extremely well. But he must say the numbers that Liverpool are having up front and why the more the Kane, Mohamed Salah. You must say Luis Diaz saying. Kodigapo Shesen, Darwin Nunes Shesen, Diogo Jota Shesen. Even Zoboska and McAllister must sign or mode a free made for back home. It is solely on Abrante from Mohamed Salah. 27 goals and over 20 assists this particular season in the English Premier League. It is telling you something extraordinary. Or they cut him no. It is saying, oh, free club ni more, even at his age, no. You must say, Liverpool bet me akwa kunye player beer, or bet me abe produce the same numbers. Now, I say at least, or bet me abe appreciate this numbers now. It was going to be very difficult because looking at the transfer market, no, such players, no, and who are doing? Such players, no, who are doing? And met me extended the amano, and almost extended and so no. Per what we are hearing is Virgil van Dijk will follow next. And if Virgil van Dijk sorts now, you must say, Uncle Qua, here mo never be share on the players in the in the caliber, and I say in the shape of Virgil van Dijk near very little. Ubenya bidiabo, but listen, Ubenya bidiabo, more born to say Van Dijk, no, Ubenya bidiabo, because Ubenya obi to say Abrante friend William Pacho, Alejandro Bastoni of Inter Milan, Pacho Paris Saint-Germain, the McQueen or so bono. Ubenya obi to say Bia, Pau Kubasi. Ubenya William Saliba, even the Houston in Murillo, unsaid the Houston or Bournemouth, Murillo or Nottingham Hotspur. Ubenya Dinabo, but you say someone debate me abe Jumana Van Dijk here, that calmness, no. Ebe tupe, you talk of Alejandro Bastoni and then William Saliba, because the Houston were that kind of quality, but are young. Obefa William Pachu, one season wabenya with Paris Saint-Germain playing together with Marquinhos, and the Marquinhos mom did the leadership quality na katana so, and what's me bono. You talk of a bit to Murillo. One season, Nottingham Forest. The Houston, one season, Bournemouth. Omunya potential. It's more match there, so meet me as than William Saliba and Alejandro Bastoni. But Liverpool get him in the absence of Virgil van Dijk. Very difficult for Inter Milan to let go of Bastoni just like that. Wabro munim so contract. Okwa omude ebu kese ne beto so se final befa. William Saliba, Arsenal will not allow William Saliba to cross carpets from London to Liverpool. You get the whole point. It's a bad day. And so for Liverpool to, extend the contract of Salah and Abrante and Virgil van Dijk, I think it's a big win for Liverpool. Trent Alexander-Arnold, then the people Busa, I think Arnold then they were making the decision every year. I don't think he will stay. Arnold wouldn't stay, but these 2 players, Salah and then Van Dijk will stay for Liverpool. No? Okay. I think very, very good for them.
1 minute.
Okay, and then my main fan trying his meet me a Juma Kakao, Real Madrid. See, there is a internal rumble in the Madrid team this year. And semi Bebreba, se Carlo Ancelotti and TV Nyas na film no film Ome Pamono and a lot of issues and eba. Let's not forget in 2022. Papa friend Carlo Ancelotti, any Italian newspaper Messaggero, interview, he told them, "Say 2026, the contract with Madrid by the year, or be ending the football, in the coaching career." But right now, we know, say Brazil are trying to get him, and the way Messi kona, Madrid are also planning life after Carlo Ancelotti. And right now, so the way our resource currently ne kwana Madrid, the likely say be bet me apam no as en common air cost more. But adeba ko enhweni. Carlo Ancelotti could leave Madrid before say be a season e be end. If only say Madrid for your margin say omo man that target unqualified onyese a. Next match is a Carlo Ancelotti order and I'm talking about Real Madrid order money. Let me try to highlight it for you here. because yes, my man tries to me what has na minim say me dem Safo there minim, but I'm not sure say me dem Safo. But let's not forget unim say Real Madrid omo immediate A game on boy against Deportivo Alaves. Barcelona lead omo by 4 points. Listen, they cannot slack around because omotina fie Valencia the whole season no munya single win away ebe share no enti against Alaves they would have to go all out omontimi rest players omo almost say akokobo UEFA Champions League against Arsenal. Right after that Athletic Club about game no omo omo kobo Getafe and then the Copa del Rey final omo another game against Celta Vigo omo say another Clasico and why the next best 7 games are a huge games and that Madrid and with this performance I think say I don't see Madrid winning all these games, no. And if it continues this year, the rumor and the kind of backlash for Madrid to sack Ancelotti, no, a bit me akosoro and sha or make me pamono before the end of the season.
Sir Prince,
I don't think
Madrid
will take it.
Obani medase pa Sir Prince no. Philip Akwaba.
Bema.
Now where there?
Yamiado.
Yede yamiase. Yentio.
Me start you off with the games I told you are in that is the UEFA Europa League and the Conference League, to be precise. Tottenham Hotspur boy against a team from the Eintracht Frankfurt. Now Spurs any Frankfurt game, no. What happened was where Tottenham Hotspur manager in front of Ange Postecoglou, or say normally in the second season he doesn't go second season without winning a trophy. But I wasn't too impressed with what Tottenham Hotspur expressing and Ra against team from Frankfurt. Now, you read this thing very well. Tottenham Hotspur, I do in the middle of the park about Lucas Bergvall, Rodrigo Bentancur, any Brentford friend James Maddison. So meaning say he was going all attack against team Eintracht Frankfurt. There was no DM. Bentancur no Oboa said that is a shield for the centre back pair. And the centre back pair was Christian Romero and our Brentford friend Mick van der Veen. I'm boy as centre back. And clearly that was the best centre back pair Ibenya from team from Tottenham Hotspur. But yeah was for with Tottenham Hotspur team no. So Tottenham at London. Enya 1-1 with Frankfurt a beginning of the end. And a spell doom for manager from Ange Postecoglou. And the reason is very simple. The fans are growing increasingly dissatisfied with manager in front of Postecoglou. And the reason is that Omufi say no, there is no hope in the manager in front of Postecoglou. Me, for teams are on this stage of the Europa League. Obiabesh me the Europa League, me for Tottenham Hotspur because drawing at home in London, we call Frankfurt in Germany. Thinking so you can go to Germany and win over team friend Frankfurt, no, it's a big worry. It's a problem. And I don't think say a better possible any moment in time. And we're dynamics now. Teams are Tottenham Hotspur compete for that laurel in the Europa League now. Tottenham to me are ranked outsiders. On the Liverpool bites, Mohamed Salah was a good omen. So I extended till 2027, 2 years. Now the contract never ended. That is junior now Mohamed Salah contract never ended with club from Liverpool. But once they obviously say manager from Ancelotti was in dilemma because on him Salah na Van Dijk na and also why ne betna. But so far so we Liverpool da wouldn't pass say players being happy with the team. Players are more happy in the club say no 1 year Darwin Núñez. Darwin Núñez clearly no only the trust of the manager from Ancelotti. So Slot will definitely part ways with our Brentford friend Darwin Núñez. But the Darwin Núñez here no say in the course of the season no there was an offer from Saudi Arabia. Liverpool Football Club no rejected that offer no. Liverpool rejected that offer from Saudi Arabia for playing a friend Darwin Núñez. And that was a big blow and a worry for team from Liverpool. But despite everything, no, Darwin Núñez will move on at the end of the season because club no pay a new number 9. Now the next one is a Brent here, your friend Luis Diaz. Luis Diaz say we call Barcelona. Barcelona started discussing Luis Diaz. Player, and I say the sporting director of Barcelona, Deco, is interested in bringing a Brent here friend Darwin Núñez. But the coach of Barcelona,
Luis
Diaz. Yeah. But the coach of Barcelona, Hansi Flick, and also wants the younger brother of Iñaki Williams, Nico. He wants Nico to come to club from Barcelona. So for now, I say I bear conundrum between the manager and the sporting director. Manager no epe Nico Williams, but the sporting director Deco no epe Luis Diaz. Because of one, he's a South American. Deco is a Brazilian, and because of new roots and parentage, Omufi Portugal, he played for the Portuguese national team. That is the difference now. That is one thing I am here with our brand friend Luis Diaz. But for now, as we saw better in Liverpool, say 50 and 50. But players are more confirmed, just as a Prince Kai, Mohamed Salah the West End for Virgil van Dijk, say talks at advanced stage, say or best 10 day with team friend Liverpool. Now there is a presidential fight. Meka a presidential fight now. I won't say the 2030 World Cup will be played in that is Morocco, Spain, and Portugal. But the opening matches of the World Cup will be played in Argentina, Paraguay, and Uruguay. Now the president of CONMEBOL, I friend Ignacio Alonso. Ignacio Alonso, the president of Uruguay, that is Uruguayan Football Federation. I don't believe he said the World Cup I better in 2030 no. Instead of 48 countries no. Yes, standing from 48 and from that is 64. Instead of 48 no. Yes, standing from 48 and 64. Now the president of UEFA, Alexander Cheferin, also believe he say yes, standing from 48 to 64. A best spell doom at the among most of the countries. Now, there is a fight between UEFA and CONMEBOL regarding the 2030 World Cup in Africa and Europe. But that World Cup, one will also be played in South America because the 1930 World Cup was played in Uruguay. So, okay, the 1930 World Cup was played in Uruguay. And when the World Cup was played in Uruguay, Uruguay are the founding fathers of the World Cup. That was in 1930. Until say, yeah, but what the 100 years of the World Cup are, and Uruguay should play the opening match, Montevideo. And the venue Uruguay hosted the finals of the World Cup. That is the Stadium Centenario Montevideo, would also host the opening match of the 2030 World Cup. And the Uruguay for proposes say instead of 48, and can you phone call that is 64. Say a very big worry and a blow. As to say no UEFA bejatum and as a UEFA gentum a big issue. But say I make us say UEFA president friend Alexander Cheferin is also on FIFA's neck. That is President friend Gianni Infantino. Say Infantino gentum say no instead of say moving from 48 to 64 now. A big worry at the among most of the continents. Because there are continents where they are contingent no babano omo for continent be Australasia. Australasia now, and one the stronger nation, New Zealand. But we in New Zealand, if you are, Fiji, Vanuatu, Tonga, those countries are not footballing mad countries. That is the issue, sir. In Sicily, there is a strong fight between the UEFA president Cheferin and the president of CONMEBOL, friend Alejandro Dominguez. But say as to say when they be winning, only time will tell. Alejandro Dominguez say historically, so when the history of Paraguay, Uruguay, and Argentina, one of those countries now. Pay blacks pay blacks. They don't like the blacks. Into Uruguay, Paraguay, and Argentina, we go South America, culturally one. But so for Brazil, Ecuador, and Colombia, where almost skin color almost behavior any bibiano one. Into Brazil is not in support of President Efrain Alejandro Dominguez. Say all say young father no 64 instead of 48 in 2020.
Why is he saying so? Say young father 64.
No, omo say young father 64 because say South American nations in our participating. Because South America had the idea of World Cup at the buy in 2030. So, every South American footballing nation participating at the 2030 World Cup. And South America, 10 countries, almost the World Cup qualifiers. But since I call you move here, Echo, that is 48, no. South America this year, the next World Cup in that is the next World Cup 2026 in USA, Mexico, and Canada. South America may about 7 countries, but this time no or fighting for the rights of the South American nations. But then also the UEFA to believe say South American nations need now qualify a bar and also be at a disadvantage to some of the continents, especially Australasia and some parts of Asia. Asia, what is their performance at the World Cup? Since I woke up, we are say Asia the best of Morocco at the World Cup, the best at Asia here at the World Cup, semi-final. That was South Korea in Japan and Korea 2002. The best Africa here at the World Cup was Morocco in 2022 semi-final. But it is always contested between South America and Europe. So Europeans compete here. And see, for now, no, there is a confederational fight between UEFA and CONMEBOL. As to say result, Nebabano, say the referee is the president of FIFA, your friend Gianni Infantino. Okay. Now, my story no with Chelsea Football Club. And Chelsea boy against Legia Warsaw. Also, Poland, or more capital from Warsaw. Now, English in Warsaw. Now, I want a Chelsea boy against the club Legia. Now, Chelsea winning by 3-0. I wasn't surprised with the lineup or parody here. There is this youngster, friend Tyrick George, who played exceptionally well and ran for Chelsea. But at the Chelsea and Ra, Mimeniji Apaye one playing a Brentier friend that is Rich James as in the central area with Brentier friend Dewsbury Hall. I think Omumi and Nomo in the middle. No, I think there was some sort of cohesion and understanding between Omumi and no. But at right back, Obojo Sachampon, the boy from Ghana. Don't know ball right back, no. But you see, we Chelsea fans still don't be too happy because one, the experimentations at Chelsea, is becoming too much. There is so much of experiment from manager Efrano, and that is Enzo Maresca. Experimenting too much. I think constantly Prince Alcasa and Bibre. Experimentations not dorsal. They say who Petima in the immediate Obetumiaji trophy. In the Premier League, you don't see Chelsea. Chelsea, I say project, a contractor and woman project on ye. Constantly, your projects now, do baby as a project in your face. Memimbu na for new plan mbra. Constantly, they constantly interchange. And then my Chelsea Football Club. Clearly, you can see the plan of some teams. Now, next season, you're clubs like Manchester City, because you could clearly see, say, manager Pep Guardiola, he want to do a serious rebuild, but he will do that rebuild, with marquee signings. But what about Chelsea? They say, and they're very experimenting. But sometimes, for the Confederations Cup, for the Conference League, blame you, because what is the weight of the Conference League? Her teams are, say, Chelsea be look at line at Chelsea now. The probability is that Chelsea be Conference League, is about 95%. Some bet me the Conference League. The only team able to me a stumbling block for Chelsea for this Conference League Real Betis. The team from Spain, they are the only stumbling block on bet me Chelsea in them winning the Conference League. But teams now can in idea. You can see a cannot crash or my paper weight.
Okay, I know I have Philip Kwabena in Kumsa and Watin in Kay. Joy Cam Roofing Company Limited. Umuna. They say Philip na o si wo Kumasi boss so dia man kama pa na yemfantu just open IBR open self-lock MSL IoT standard sheet Eurotars ani chese alozing ni chese won accessories ni na ebi ho na yemfantu ani ze omubo odan no so ma nsuo to mframa efo no nsuo to ye ani mframa efa ni na no Peter Mpe on te gura nam ze nchenzi eguzu no ahodi woma anya grokura afeball na boss wa jeze anya grokura na branches no doors akra Kaswa Kumasi Techima Sunyane Tamale Boga wa Kumasi o Sokoba and Pami Seat Police Station no 0540 125 816 0551 00 0551 0050 frana ya Jose na BBI fine at the amount na maminko mega cash vo na minin komo we emfiri ho emra vise omo na me back room na mo idea mam kakra but me follow steps Prince din ho dance says ka me sesa no kuro mu ano besi na kura me ni wie ye obani akwabo na ho ye de na mega cash bibia e koso boko de
anija ba
yes
Easter e ba so ide na je say
oh okay
ka mega cash sika nko a
fantastic weekend igura na esi mu bi fesika
money anya de was it edru fi ada say ayi ntufu
oh yeah
ni kwa so
and also in support of Saturday Friday in Tufu
Friday there se kwasi ada nti utunifu a ho utunifu a enye yi nti kwasi ada anopa na akọ hwe na eje waka de obeka de akire no
oh okay
edru Friday there ayi ntufu
okay a tiefo be so mu win big with mega cash lucky box
and tiefo be so mu win there once be de bia na ye wo obi a first time a wo tie no wo hwe e di kasi we
absolutely
tie mfa konya iso ne yenchia obi bia wo tie no wo hwe ye eno an say what mega cash lucky box dwumadi e wo fidi kasi so de bia na abai bia and once of our phone about star 426 star 6 hash star 426 star 6 hash unya bo code ye you know
yen san code bi yo
nkaka code ni bi
o weekend ya bro
ye ni abre pa because Easter na mu ni na mu fama no na eguso wa ye bo
yen kono boko pa
star 426 star 6 hash
okay
star 426 star 6 hash ti unya bo code ya no na wa bo send wo send pe prompt na e beba no o say there was 6 lucky boxes be beba box 1 2 3 4 5 6 now when our code no wakonya say obe choose one box or preferred box are open
e ma akoma 6
e ma akoma 6 and you choose here obe choose ba akope wakonya say obe box ne ba akọ and you obe choose box ba akọ there open and you fan say ma choose box 1 obe bie mu no there were 5 cities 10 cities 20 cities 50 cities and 100 cities echo and there were one day between the minimum play amount in 5 cities. Not just I was selected the obet to was selected 20 cities here. Afi prompt beba everyone network provider and so we a year only mobile money network phones are mobile money registered. And so you see a Totigua, obet me abo, so you see MTN, obet me abo, you see Telisa, and prompt beba no bo pin code in ashim. Ubo pin code na instant resource. What dia instant? Undi so instant. Na no obi share me no bi sam say da be na be draw no. We enye draw game. We enye lottery. Yen ko gina kwan ho yen ko yem ma some perfect because ye ha mehwehwe mpedi ko say ebo no numu a e na omo be ha na da bi tina wo fie ho no. Wo phone na wa fa na no. Eno an se wabo instant resource. E ba be bu phone no so instant. What dia picking crying. They be a me say bro for head and one cash and receive.
Oh, massa.
I love you, boy, or that. Go to more da. The can't love you do tata on would do it. Now, and you can't say a woman any mega cash lucky box. Yeah, Easter promo. Come up with team. Easter promo, Easter promo,
fantastic.
Now, Easter promo, no, and you can't say any need you say a woman say. Every week biano ye che 14,000 Ghana cedis free
now to be
a Saturday Sunday e decide ka na chow say wo twa na wo die no na de wo mu nie e wo say oni pakro na wo pese wo enter the mega cash Easter promo no de bia no wo pese week no ye fro ka jo say ba gisika we ko di say no kwade a and e say obo free 10 Ghana cedis e ko
okay
the minimum amount I de bo mega cash 5 cedis but say wo be ra Easter promo yi for Easter period die this a wo free 10 cedis e ko now wa bra wo bo 10 cedis na wo bo no de wo mu nie with Easter promo no ye wo grand price e wo so grand price de wo mu nie with Easter promo no ye wo grand price e wo so grand price no 45,000 Ghana cedis 45,000 quantities Ghana 450 million Easter promo yi 450 million ye de ma one lucky winner say oni pakro no wonje no fa mobra one fancy na bra boma de bia atoche ba bia Easter yi enti yiro ho bo wo bo no e bia ho na be da lucky winner no Christmas no yenya one lucky winner I front of yenua ba Patricia in fact would 30,000 Ghana cedis 300 million
what di buru nya no
say abaya yi me ye one fan number ama me kire mu che oh yeah young girl say keja say den ka de city yes o ba totu anka twere be ma dem kasika futu
ena de o mo atimi tu
wo person no ato na ade so won say de ade ni city no o esa no so aho enye yi esa na won say na de say o ya say de Bible kan ye no wo ho say de ade ni city no ge yi ye wan fa me still na me guso ne kasa say ne 30,000 ne de won fa mra ne fa mobra enti wo betumi anya ye nua be ma kwaku na da so no me pa cho pictures ni enro na nko ye nua be ma kwaku would 7,000 Ghana cedis e wo Easter promo yi yenu aba hakunzu ni ye friend Joseph ono so di 6,000 Ghana cedis enya sika ketwa me pa acho yenko na ebi wo ho no adofo no mama didi ne dɔso yenko we mu aha enti Mr. Kwaku no di ni sika air flex no sehwe wadi 7,000 Ghana cedis na wo bo na wo die na wo bo na wo die no ene ye friend ka chen say Easter promo no wo bo 10 cedis e kosa no wo na wo point dɔso na wo twena wieye no wo na wo bo bebrebe enti sa sika puduo yi bagye ne kodi yes mega cash
obianfa no hunche
mo eti se Goliath na aba on se Goliath se do si gina ho no ye brane wo ye 20 gram na sika no 500,000 Ghana cedis sika puduo se sika puduo na eta ho no mo no afi ne se bra betwa ne ti ne nsa na Goliath ne nsa firi ne nsa kora be ka ne nsa ba ko no sika eta ho no obetumi adi be bodi na se sa wa bra
nsa ba ko kura mu odu se se
me no nti ne se sika Goliath ne de ata ho no mo no sika epem sika puduo sika peche ebo ho wo dia ne say wo bebo star 426 star 6 hash star 426 star 6 hash na wa bo na che say wa follow prompt no na Easter yi ye kokko mega cash train no ba kwa enya asam ketwa wo enya asam ketwa wo monten so wo bi biara wo beba kwa no be hu mega cash train no na che say wo honom che say wo ba no dwumadie bi aye nyina no aso wa twe phone na wo star 426 star 6 hash na che say enema be koso no free say ye koto sika na pete ye disika e kwa akoche ye disika e kwa akoma amanfo
oh okay I know this man
you know this man
yeah oboase otimida chipe
ene ewunimu no
oh I see
and hey me say so one with the mega cash here amazing
otimechiro
wa yo what you oboase
yeah
and
me da na chipe minimum no
me pa cho yen row because we man we free oboase
you papa yeah
odi no ye ko oboase na
keep it Liverpool fan kase ba
and me ka chiro no say on so what studio na so nimu na we dey no ano no we
masa mega cash re
ye media grow
o man no masa minimum
7,000 Ghana cedis 70 million and a papa we watch
share no what cheap oboase
and I may say me pa cho yan ko Mr. Dennis DB ye nua ba dora omunye weekend prices no Mr. Pictures ne dos
masa obi anfa no hunyimo
Mr. Pictures ne dos mo mi euro na ma no enya nkro we mu no Pictures ne dos next one yenko we mu no omo wo honom obi so tifie se de ntia ye testimonies ni se te se de wo ti studio a wo confirm yi e toss na na obi so wo te ni area mu ho no obi hu se asomasi we minim no ampa wo de konfie ko bisa no say ye rodo rada se mo ana enu kretro do wo mo disika no
minim ne pa
so what you say abranche ensu free petepo mbogo so side ho no emfa ho ne ba bia wo bia sa wo bo na wudi a ye be locate you ye be fro ye be ba ho ye no be yimfonini wo so be ka mega cash dwumadie no nsempa akira foforo se de ye nua no musi yi so wo se de asem ni siti aha Mr. Pictures ne dawson se de zi ye pese adofo ne amansen a mo hwa afidi kese o mo be hunu se enya niema bi ne ye
so de boasefo mo hwe yina
o mo nyina hunu ye NLA regulated ye wo tumi o mo aba be access ye hunu se ampasika ne ye wota ho wo de ne se obetwe fon no ahede no abo wo bo no na wo ye de wudi wo bo na wo ye de wudi wo bo na wudi nti no anso abo star 426 star 6 hash star 426 star 6 hash na che sa fe Easter promo ya ye ka ho asem ya ye sisika e te se sere abasa ye twitwai a ye chichei wo de a ne se wo fa phone na wo ba bo free 10 cedis ko network bia wo so bia di hia se ye registered mobile money network e wo se wo sika ne 10 cedis ko bo ba ko bo mienu bo miensa bo enan bo num bo edu bo 100 bo 200 koso abo wo bo na wudi ni e fro na wo beje wa kra den afi 40,000 Ghana 45,000 Ghana cedis na ye grand prize no ye be yi winner no on 21st April.
Oh, okay.
What if you were ninja 21st April? Yeah, 21st April, yeah, and you be winner. A bet me I will, a bet me I will near be, a bet me I offer be, a bet me I yet dear, what home piano, maybe Sir Patricia say, or a dead would be 30,000, was it 31st of December? Nempire all born in answer Rademaniska. And what a mega cash in cat. To what didn't we say, Mono, Massa? What didn't we say when I said 30,000 away or the consulting in school some? Was so bomb pass a few way quay or before one will be school. Sa 45,000 ye can once a we a odachi sika.
Okay.
Now maybe faso dia be coin say rana wash channel store no our rena or pass away and sika crana cano. What dina woo see na in so better tono 45,000 ye would be bosso. And if I wish him never star 426 star 6 hash mega cash Easter sika dear promo no and a gusu I cost on for wish him nebo. Not just a name nyina. and kwaso yie ma o
all right
ma renfi se brofo a ede ene cash in receive mo obi amfa I love you nada
you no mega cash mpanyifo no wate mo nkan sika ta ho no sika puduo pa Eugene papa na afa bia mia manitua Eugene papa baby obi engia no yes bono ahwe ne short yes or heavy pa or Liverpool fan kase pa na wa fasika se the mega cash no de bema umfa ho nhye ma as prince monya no quick go na is the way how dey lie do na anya beta sika no ta o ya senior man o timanimi a otum sampa sika na e kase on ze wiase de upo bia 10 years ngaminya baby de mana nanga me pe baby but me wura fika kra skibim kakra ya se kire madam fra me jiro nsu ban on na aboa na kase no aboa de wo city no ni su na kire aboa kora waye aboa ni su na mu the kind of animal aboa no wote and wotim anim no mahu say yes says kata hampa yes we na fu kama efe bibia de dem na ese na city enti omuna dey say mega cash paying for no wate omunka no na time e ba me hya na odwa so mesrew nunu bi pa na isa ubetima de adi ni ya woji o mega cash is kan dia jo ho no say sika wo ho na wo yare be de pa na isa wetima jiwani abomodian na nya time ba me hya ne bi no ana malaria hawa wunya binuma na share to the amount wanuma to ntimi ne di ohunam nyina waposo na ya oya aya peta me ba me kyere binom na ebeboa ya papa afa di atene se time ba me sign capsules ne no ana obi a ensaje na private boss no onya bia na share timashe di amano immune system support esan general well-being and this is ni peduan de bia ama ni peduan ho ye de kama pa na ope ebiato say bia ope ba ko ato na so ndi duotu a eya fre 0244 417669 0244 417669 mpen for enyo so ya toothpaste anana brushes ni wodwa so me pa chao ope toothpaste papa e de twitwi a ho amode nde so kwajibi na me yaz de oma obi aje oma tumsampa onya bia beboa mu ayi wanum nka ama onum ahwam ye pa brush ni so wurawura ba bia kama enkwada de ho adantam de ho na mpanyifo de ho ajese enya grokra yaz de omu no ma ye kama ye pa ajese enya agrokra no ayi senesi etie na mamemfo nto onim se Gengiment Dental Clinic ho ana oduwa ni kire na oseno omu adi hudwa kama pa de ma wo obi wa ne seno sebe tutu opese replace the kama pa de manomo ana betima ne kama adiama wo na de atinisa obu ande so opese we ne fita ni na ne be ne kama pa de ma afa wo wo se no opese we ne gold and as silver crown ne nzo ye be ne kama pa de ma e ban se won se ma ma ya jo matumo krum a eye Gengiment Dental Clinic omu ebo adwuma ye pa na omu branches ne do so kuma se ye wa brepo junction behind Total filling station no techiman ye magazine of techima market kwano so ana afa crash ye woningwa Atomic Down ko forido ye Jason Central Police Station no ye be market ni ye patakra denzo ye wo pipe ano traffic off Tadisco Junction GM Bank ne je ope eya no offer 0559 139582 0559 139582 0549906588 ufra ni ajusi ne bibia no aye kama pa ede ama menu ka say duba ko aba pa semane mienu pepepe ye ko for quick commercial break here ba Orlando Betnasi na ode afisem na bre ye ba sisia
Muntie, ye watching a channel, Afedie, LPA, Ohiania, what's no to Mega Cash Lucky Box, and
there's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Here's Kwame and Yao. After hours of planning, both have locked in the same perfect multi-bet. Big win for United, over 1.5. And both teams to score in the London Derby. But who could have picked Leicester over City? Or a high-scoring game at the bridge? There's nothing worse than having your perfect multi-bet missing. But there's nothing better than having it saved. Bet saver. Win, even if your bet misses.
If I shop, I'm not sure you're bad.
Brad, and not so beautiful. Ah!
Not all about Michelle and see about Queen Wayne and say.
Bra, said your time about Misha, it's your Jimmy fearful, and not the about ever so.
Really, no, this is offending now.
Bra, some make us me the time about Misha one dance ya. We are singing now about Timinka. It is some malaria, well drawn time about Misha.
I never go, dear, no more to I want to meet any deal. Well drawn a time about Misha. A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. Dear one mark for down for any aquada when you fear to me, and son of the time about Mr. Draven. Shasta Wako Hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3-day malaria be answer.
Kayo, time me TIME. Time about Misha. I feel malaria fever be than Ziba, a woman. Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to do a name. FDA Aji a dreading crotway at all.
Abusaka Krakabi will have a job to narrow who's a woman say. About Fraketua 1 year, 2 years, I can die. It's the African Spider-Man, the Bay about Fraketua 1 and power here. Then the big cost for Nuti Cameroonian already won't be. African Spider-Man, the Baby say what of faith, but preoccuping who's African tax, what Baby say what of faith, now secret to anything.
In boost herbal mixture and only me secrets. Now me yet to know how form. And a police me do one dance and say, many namin sonshare, namin soen, a boosting immune system. I'm a semi trainer mental bread. Meet me the come on. I'm on the come with mom so across your class. So, Metaya Lay, I'm my lattice latitude, meaning about. And yet, no cost of
Hey, Spider-Man, what are you going?
I'm a cratching.
Ubenya Imbus Herbal Mixture, our pharmacy, and answer herbal shops. A pin for any Columundi if you do me, enum. FDA adjudicating Tatui at.
If you want better future, join Ghana Grows, cause our grit be the future. Join Ghana Grows, just be one for the culture. Join Ghana Grows, cause you do my day for Ghana. Join Ghana Grows, Ghana Grows.
Yomu, Pequia, who the first way Yajuma, and now at Yajumaqua, the first one was so, a walk Yajumum, any 80 vetimu and ya. So, Anamone, fastest and walk, Wabusia, and a woman, Patamo, Asitinemu, but star 718 star 50 hash, not the Caho says, yeah. Ghana Grows, Hope Day, Ghana Grows Jumedie, MasterCard Foundation, Miss Springboard Roadshow Foundation, Limehouse, New Phone a day, bro.
Mamisha, time HH Herbal Mr. 0244 4176 0244 417669 0244 417669. Time HH Herbal Mr. A Yadro say FDA Adje Jadian Kratway Atum.
Rise and shine with Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. Start today off right by grabbing your Yas toothbrush and squeeze a refreshing dab of Yas toothpaste on it. With its soft bristles, the Yas toothbrush gently cleans your teeth and gums, giving you a comfortable brushing experience. As you brush, feel the powerful formula of Yas toothpaste working its magic, removing every stain in the cavity and leaving your teeth sparkling and fresh. Plus, Yas toothpaste helps make your teeth whiter and protect your gums, keeping them healthy and strong. Choose from our 3 variant toothpaste: Total Care, Herbal, and Wild. Make Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush a part of your morning routine and start your day with a confident smile. Yas toothpaste and toothbrush, caring brand for caring families.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet saver.
Okay, Duba ko abapa on sema enkron yekoya ya bamra so. Orlando atena se wo de afisem no eba. Orlando akwaba.
Yeja sinko.
Bibia evan.
Bibia woko.
Yeden yame ase. Yendie nsema wabo ano de ba. Wo afisem nim.
Well, sinko yenchia yetiefo a etie Sompa 93.1 ya hwefo a Sompa TV na no pe embra full time ne so ebra so afisem ena ye di go de ama nemum no unim say over the weekend no the Ghana Premier League sign so babiem na eba no week 27 matches ena eno so top form nenne ena matches ni nyina enso ehya ase omumma me promo video media ma ahead of game omuni Dreams FC Ereboni ewo takwa TNA Park no ntino safon bebo na omudi video no enso etimi ato screen so yes ede ama ntino media ma for no de he said in terms of social media ne de your boss season ni wi a enye nwanwa omoji a enye nwanwa eba ne social media na omo ye adwuma on my day highlight ni bibia on be ma won setimi aka ne comment we promo on my ahead of gamer and also Basso na head coach Edema Media ma Ibrahim Tanko Eden Sam Kakra Atuja Alpha game no Yentie Ibrahim Tanko.
I'm very serious like you said, and we want to keep our momentum at home. And when you look at the away matches we lost, we were the better team, but definitely and we didn't score goals, so we lost that one. But as you said, we are playing against a team that having lost their game, I think 6 or 7 games, and they are coming with a very confidence. But as you said, and we are also here and home, and we want to keep our momentum, and definitely this is what we are going to do.
And to coach Ibrahim Tanko momentum ne dia mube kipuna me kai won said Dreams FC omo last 7 matches omo win 5 or draw 2 omo lose game in their last 7 matches into omo form ye papa na Fatawo Sulemana and captain for a year Mediama ononso eka bibi kire Mediama supporters no
as a playing body na nka say yakra ye hu meeting ne ka ya ha adwen but ohwe goals no e share na fantastic goals. Seriously, goals ye won hwe enye yi unexpected na pum omashe so yes so ye corrected that thing na kakra sometimes new coach na be ye players no so na be boa coach because coach ngwa ho ndi intimi without ye players no there is no coach intino ye players na sometimes ye ko game kwa ye fa so concede goal no ye ka say ho na ya try the way se be avoid no because goals go I concede against us of I concede the same thing at home before I call has a bisa ko see entino ya correct on kakra say BCB but this time they call for clean sheet
enti eno Fatawo Sulemana captain Edema Mediama and Ede Sansemno enso etuja na Wilfred Dormon assistant coach for Dreams FC ononso kan bibi FA game ne ho.
It's all part of the preparation because some of the players are not used to play on a floor light, and that is why we are grateful to management to make sure they get this edifice for us to get used to the light because play under the light is a different scenario, it's a different ball game altogether. It is all part of the preparation, and that's why we are very, very serious about this game against Mediama.
Coach, do you think Mediama is going to stop your winning streak or you are going to continue?
Well, let's wait and see, and all soccer fans who will turn to Takwa should come and witness good football.
Thank you very much.
Intino coach Wilfred Dormon, assistant coach Edema Dreams FC. Or say a football fan now or Takwa, be witness a good football. And so you may TNA Park and Ghana Premier League week 27 game at Bidiama and Dreams FC. And so at the Ebony. Na Asante Koroko legend Safu Jemfi Eden Sam Atuja afa Hasafo goalkeeper Benjamin Asare na Eddie Kanu yenti ensama Safu Jemfi ekafa Benjamin Asare hu.
Boy on you good. On the football no nyese bia go na be dano. E bia wo be da o kasa na wo lack. Ball no go keep be over there wo ball. Ya wo ball 90 minutes na bia ball be mi ensa be na aba no. Ne lack no or lack. Ball man so na go keep be to fan be dem a da no wa mu team no crowd supporters be dwa. Ball na e ball no any 2 or twin ball.
Entino Safu Jamfi and this answer to Jaffa has a four goalkeeper Benjamin Assan or say Abrantano like a directino as super into the poem cry chances and man is super no born a basu serio no say Nasa and the present ko ba ball kotoko ye bibia wie mani behia empanyimfo nyina wie na eno ma ye yentie Safu Jamfi
oh say has goalkeeping crowd no enga koroko no ba before say me ni omo kan ya ye bibia wie no eno mo kofa ayi bai kamara bai na me pe ha wow me ye bibia wie ya ama me na na ye frefre no ama ye bibia wie
Entino Black President Asante Koroko legend Safu Jamfi and at this answer to Jaffa House of goalkeeper Benjamin Asare hono chemze asewa aso fo mususu momoni nye na abrante nko besi akai krade amakuma se Asante Koroko na no ene Benjamin Asare nsu kodi nkomo ne se Ben unimo papa bia ye friend Safu Jamfi no se yes onim ne pa na se na oni mpanyimfo kra nkomo do ba kotoko ye dey na move ni collapse ye
football there and I miss me kwa graso and say graso na wo me so by me mejuma na me because ejuma bia wo we so na pese o ye no ye no shema se o ye ni nti me ma be say team bia team ba approach ana nya mbe ya me aduna me nya sa team ma yima kuma mi se me de me pese me da na so mun kasa no later mi sheda ni omu background na mi sheda ni so na so later no kasa nya ma de we se na nya me for me which what answer on football body man because me ba on nya na on so start on so because na you know be ball Olympics ni as ada so for bravo or inviting me fi am on mi kasa I no ka shem say of say next season mi brand say mi say mi na me da mi da ye say nyam na me dance so I fine na so that very day so mi dance na mi fa man of the match nti so that's the match because on na do ana on kasa on mi kasa
Enti eno House of goalkeeper Benjamin Asare after say we renew the contract 2 seasons assign Eriama House of ko no dey san 72 just say edru ba bi no na korokofo ne nkomodie ni nkoye na watara o pre major Europa say or joining House of Folk no yen sama odi tudwa na ebusan say Ben na akwanya wo say bre bi bedu obaba besi akan Eriama kuma say Asante koroko ana
when they see the meeting because many are so contract minimum contract they need to be decided some can say one person better was from the human and here man so number can say some be business
Entino Benjamin Asare na dia tudwa say sakodokofo pe na on the oye House of Folk play enti no so many House of Folk pay info be din komo na omugituma ono nso abaye adwuma no e de amakuma se Asante Koroko isi a Black Stars wona wakopie ne de eni jesem kwa na okono eno o se o ka bibi e de a che House of Folk management supporters journalists eni obia
we are sidabema supporters any journalists for because we are sidabema we are sima we are we prepare ourselves we are ourselves we are born here because we are here never do what my say we father to want to because put me 100% definitely they want to get father say because so that's nice about the look at as management say me adu na me ba aga so ko so be me achievement and the me no ga on match sasa obibia o support me I just person mo say this boy has that you can do it let me here and pen and that's all
eno House of Folk captain Benjamin Asare and it is answer no enso etimi atu